I think one of the hardest emotional tensions is when what you want and what is actually happening are two completely different things. Something can exist on paper and still not feel accessible. A group can exist, a community can exist, a place to belong can technically be there, and you can still feel disconnected from it. And wanting something doesn't always mean you can reach it right now. Because desire and ability are not the same thing. Sometimes the barrier is outside you, sometimes it's timing, sometimes it's capacity. That's where frustration lives. When the storm outside you meets the storm already happening inside you, and sometimes the most honest thing you can say is, I wanted this to be different.